My name is Saujanya and I run a restaurant named Soups and Salads. And basically, the concept of Soups and Salads is healthy food. And we serve all variety of healthy soups and salads with a variety of other foods. So that's a key USP what we run on. And we kind of try to promote soups and salads through internet and through other various social networking sites and through Google Plus and on Facebook and through putting ourselves on other websites like Zomato, Clubhub and other places, which helped us to get a lot more new customers. And our other specialty of our restaurant is we change our menu every month, depending on the change of season, with whatever the new vegetables or fruits come in for that season, we go according to that. And whenever we do the menu change, these are the internet, whatever the sites that I have told you, they have helped us to get to the customer. And we are trying to able to connect through internet to the customer. Basically, initially we were not very skeptical about going through this internet, but we thought all this old, not old in the sense the print media, newspaper, magazines would get a lot of media coverage or whatever it is, but that proved us wrong. And with the internet we got more coverage with so many groups and one person suggesting to other person, and it went viral. I say everybody should try to use this internet, and the more we use, the more we get out of it.
Part of the Google Business Group, we are launching our first GBG Hyderabad chapter, which is the Google Business Group. Let me quickly brief you about what GBG is. Google Business Group is a community that is run by business professionals. Our team consists of 4 members other than me. It's Ram, who runs his own company called Spores, Murli, who is the CEO of his own company called InnoBox, and Hitesh, who is a director of a company called Sparity. So we as business professionals, as a part of corporate social responsibility, are conducting a first Hyderabad event where we try to bring like-minded people under one platform, where we do events, social gatherings, workshops and seminars, and bring to light about the importance of internet. Not many are aware that Google is actually giving free tools and technologies to people, and like you all know how important it is with the usage of internet. So our main motto is connect, inform and inspire. So we bring micro, small and medium enterprises under a single umbrella, and we try to give the importance of leveraging the power of internet, likewise provide them with technologies which Google is providing for free. Basically how it helps a company, like say a small company is, it'll help them in growing their company very effectively and efficiently. It'll help them market their products, likewise create a brand for themselves. So our major focus will be mostly micro, small and medium enterprises. So today we are expecting all those people for this event, where we'll try to connect them, improve their business in a very efficient way. Yeah, this is more of an awareness program. The event is called Taking Business Online. Like for instance, I know many small entrepreneurs, especially women entrepreneurs, who have been doing great businesses sitting in the house. But these ladies do not have exposure to internet or trying to market themselves. So we want to create that niche for themselves, where we'll try to connect them to people. Basically this event is to big groups where they can market themselves. In fact, like I said earlier, that it's a part of corporate social responsibility. So we're trying to extend help on their behalf through Google, where we'll provide necessary tools and technology. See, this being the first event, the topic is taking business online. So we're helping them use the presence of internet and social networkings, which will indirectly help them brand themselves. Likewise, we'll have many events with different technologies Google will release. Very often Google has n number of products. So right now we are actually taking the web presence online.